How to deploy a CA certificate to multiple Brother devices simultaneously. Part 1. Requirements. You will need a Brother device that has the CA certificate pre-installed. If you are not sure how to do this, please click the link on your screen or in the description where I will show you how. You will also need a Brother utility called the Mass Deployment Tool, running on a Windows computer. Both the Brother device and Windows computer will need to be connected to the same network. Part 2. Downloading the Mass Deployment Tool. Open a web browser and go to support.brother.com. Then select your region and country. Click the Product Search button. From here, find and select your Brother device. Click the Downloads button. Then select your Windows operating system. In this example, I am using Windows 11. Scroll down the page until you find the Mass Deployment Tool. When you do, please download it. Part 3. Creating the deployment file. Open the Mass Deployment Tool folder. Then open the Mass Deployment Tool subfolder. From here, find and open the massdeploymenttool.exe file. If prompted, agree to the license agreement. Then click the OK button. If you see this window, select the Do Not Import the Device List option. Then click the OK button. Click the Add Devices button. Find and select the Brother device with the pre-installed CA certificate. Then click the Add button. Select the Send Files drop-down menu. Then click the Backup Settings button. Type the Brother device's admin password. Select a location on your computer where to save the deployment file to. Select the Selected option. Then unselect all the options apart from Network. Select the Exclude option. Then click the Backup button. The status should go green when the backup is ready. If you see an error message instead, please check that you entered the device password correctly from earlier and try again. Assuming everything is okay, click the Close button. From here, click the button that has 3 lines on it. Then click the Open Settings File Editor button. A new utility will open. From it, click the Open File button. Then type the admin password of the Brother device you recently made a backup from, and click the OK button. What we need to do here is remove all the additional network settings backed up by the Mass Deployment Tool, so that all we are left with is the CA certificate. To do this, I will now unselect all the device's settings. And reselect only the CA certificate option. Click the Save As button. Give the updated deployment file a new name. In this example, I'm calling it CA Cert. Then click the Save button. You can now assign the deployment file with a new password, or use the device's admin password from earlier. When you have done this, click the OK button. You should now only see the CA certificate remaining. You can now close this utility by clicking the X button. Part 4. Validating the deployment file. If you are validating your deployment file from the same device it was created from, I recommend you delete the CA certificate from it. This is to check that it gets put back after validation. Before removing it, ensure you have a copy of the CA certificate. From the Mass Deployment Tools main window, ensure that the Send Files option is selected from this drop-down list, and that you still have your Brother device selected, with its admin password inserted here. Click the Set File button. Then find and select the name of the deployment file you recently created. Type its password here. Then click the OK button. Click the Send button. If the deployment was successful, you should see a message that says Complete. If, however, it was not, you will see an error message. The most likely cause of this will be an incorrectly typed admin password from earlier. If the deployment was successful, I recommend you also check that the CA certificate was redeployed. By revisiting the device's web server, if the CA certificate is not visible, the likely cause will be errors in the deployment file. I recommend you repeat the previous steps in this video to correct it. Deployment files can then be redeployed using the Mass Deployment tool, or be our admin professional. Thank you.